Hey guys, how you doing? This is this weekend's project. I picked this up about a week ago. They had pictures on it, so it wasn't a shock to me to see it in this condition. It's a 3.5 horsepower Briggs. Probably one of the best of its era, really. I'm not gonna, it's not a restoration. I'm not going to be restoring this as a lawnmower. But I thought, as it was free, because it was, the engine will be salvageable hopefully and be kept as spares. Story is, the lady I collected it from what I can gather, her father passed away and they were clearing out his stuff, and this was amongst it, and been sitting for some years. She seemed to think it runs, but trust me, it doesn't. First issue, you can't pull it. Either the engine seized, or with any luck, it might just be the retractor coil. What do you say we get up on the operating table and start having a look? See if we can't get this thing running. Okay, well, the first thing I think we should look at is how someone has strategically placed this exhaust muffler heat shield at the front of the mower. I can't imagine this has been an accident. Somebody was racing it. I'm pretty sure that's meant to sit somewhere like that. Yeah. I'm just going to quickly wire wheel this because I can see the markings on here, so we'll find out exactly what this is about when it was made. Okay guys, let's try and, I just want to show you, in case you've always wondered how to identify a Briggs & Stratton. They always have model type and code somewhere. Sometimes it's in the inside here instead of the outside. It can be in various places. But simply, you've got the model, and the first two digits is the cubic inch displacement. So in this case it's 10 cubic inches. The D, that's just the basic design series. The next digit, which is 9, means that it's a vertical shaft. I believe 4 to 9 is vertical, and I think 1 to 4 is horizontal shafts. And then the O just means it's got a plain bearing in it. And number 2 is the type of starter, electric start, blah blah blah. In this case it's a rewind coil. Type, that's just for paint colour, decals and all that lovely stuff. The interesting one is the code. So you've basically got your year, your month and your day. So this was made in 2002, in February 02. And on the 26th of February, the last two digits, that's just the manufacturing plant, where it's made and all that. I've never bothered checking that. Maybe I should find out exactly where this was made. But yeah, so we've got a mower that was made in 02. And if you're really lucky and save yourself looking all that crap up, you might find a tag that tells you 2002. what do you say we get the recoil off and check that, and just make sure that's operating properly. I've got a feeling it's more the engine than it is the recoil, the fact that you can't pull it, but you never know. Never had one of these 35 Classics. Be nice to hear it fire up. Be sweet as. Particularly as it says on here, reliable starting. Okay, I think that's it. We have things living. And this works fine. So see, now this is turning. We're not seized. Well, that's a bonus. So what the hell? Unless it's this. The kill doesn't work. And it's pressing up against it. Maybe it's just that, pressing up against this. Well, that's awesome. We have a chance here, guys. Okay. What should we do next? Let's see. Hang on, let me just show you. I'll just turn it around so you can see better. So on here, when you pull the lever, it releases this so you can start it. And the wire is super stiff and it's up against the flywheel. So it's just making it harder. Oh look, you see the blade. Health and safety feature. Okay, so let me release this, and then that should free up this, and then we can check and see if this thing has a spark. Alright, let's do that. Okay, basically I've lubed it up, and when I pull the handle now, it does actually work. So I'm not going to remove it for now. I'm just going to tie wrap the handle down to leave us free there. Alright. Okay, one thing I am fairly certain about, looking at it, is that that spark plug ain't going to be much good. But I have been surprised before. Well, obviously it's in a state, but it is a champion. Yeah. What do you think? Shall I wire wheel it? See if it still works. Yeah, let's do that. Right, so we have a before. And an after. I don't know about you, but I'd say that was a significant improvement on what we just pulled out there, wouldn't you? How awesome would it be if this produces a spark? Okay, let's see if we got a spark off this thing. I'll put the pull start back on. Now, because I'm going to be behind the engine. Focus, focus. Let's get you in closer. I can't see if I've got a spark. So you guys are going to be my eyes. Now I'm going to turn the light off. Just tell me if I've got a spark, will you? Okay. Alright, give it a pull. Well, did you see anything? Apart from the spark plug falling over? Okay, let me check the video. Yeah! I just watched the video back. Holy crap, that was a healthy spark too. Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? And from that rusty, cruddy old champion. Well, bloody hell. We have spark and everything. We're on the way to making this thing run. It's just made my day. Just the simple things. Alright, what should we look at next? Alright, now calm down from the excitement. What do you reckon? Dribble some fuel in a plug hole and see if it coughs? I think we have to. I'm not quite sure what this spring is supposed to be doing. I know this is the choke. Whether that's just hanging there on its own for no apparent reason. But I better check to see if it's got some oil first, shall we? Right, let's see if she's got anything. I don't know how many years this has been sitting, so I'm not expecting this oil to look very nice, but okay, I don't think it has any. Let's try that again. Nope, not a drop. So we better dribble a little bit in there at least. Ain't got much in here, but that's more than what that's got in the engine. See if it shows up on the stick. Yeah, just above low. That'll be enough to try anyway. Okay, I think also, I might, because we're not going to restore as a mower, I might as well take the blade off, if nothing else, then for safety reasons. So I'll take that off, and then we'll see if it'll cough, fart and fire. Alright, this. There. Oops. Really need to get myself a proper bike lift or something. It's my birthday soon. I'm hoping I'm going to get a impact gun. Save me doing all this. Got to build my tools up slowly. There we go. Now we can't hurt anyone. Alright, well, before I try and give it a quick pull and see if we get it to make a noise, I'm just going to pop this air filter off. If for nothing else, try and find out what this spring is supposed to be for. I suspect there's something to do with the governor or something like that. It's pretty cruddy too, but okay, so that is the choke. I'm guessing this was attached to the choke. Either way, we don't need it on there at the minute. Okay. Now, do we put something down straight into the carb, or do we dribble some fuel into the plug hole? Decisions. And a quick look at the tank. Well, actually, that's empty. Somebody's drained this before this. Maybe the old boy did, bless him. When he decided to store it in his garage or wherever, he's drained the oil out and there's zero fuel in there, and that is absolutely immaculate inside this tank. So the old boy stored it alright. Okay. What I thought was a choke, you know, I don't think it is. It's not attached to anything. So I think that's just a throttle control, which is what that spring was for. It must have an automatic choke, I think. But this is just a swivel. It's not actually attached to anything on the carb. So yeah. Okay. Right. Let's give it a pull, shall we? What do you think? Better open this door. Let's try some fuel down the plug hole. As the tank is so clean, I'm going to put some fuel in. Bit too much there, but there you go. Okay. Do I hear a cough then? Oh, you know, hot work. Sure, I heard a coffee pop. every now and then. Like that. You know what? I'm going to put this on the floor because it's really hard to do it at this height. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it here at this so the video's not too long. In the next video, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the coil, the flywheel, check the points gap, clean the carb, go through the motions of doing it properly. I was hoping that was going to fire because it had spark and it's got compression, but yeah. So I'll leave it here guys, and second video will be out soon, and we'll see if we can get this thing running.